let's take a look at snack time and how we can use scripting, visuals, and co-regulation to support Gestalt language processors during this important part of the day. What is snack time? Snack time is more than just a break. It's a social and sensory-rich routine. But for GLP students, this moment can feel overwhelming without clear cues and safe, familiar language. What makes it hard for GLPs? Snack often involves unclear directions, lots of noise, and quick transitions. Without consistent scripting like time for snack or you can eat now, GLPs may not know what's expected or when it's okay to begin. What do they need instead? GLPs need clear, consistent phrases and visual support. Gestalts like, "It's snack time. We're eating together." Or "Snack is all done. Now we clean up." Provide emotional safety and help build language tied to real experiences. Top gestalts for snack. Snack time is here. Let's eat. You're doing snack. I'm sitting with you. All done with snack. Time to clean up together. These phrases create rhythm and trust. Over time, they help GLPs develop their own internal scripts for these daily routines. How to use this in class. Pre-teach the language. Use visuals. Sit near and co-regulate. Keep snack simple, consistent, and emotionally safe. Looking for snack visuals and scripting tools? Explore the Visual Nook's GLP-aligned snack support resources, built for connection, not just compliance.